You're alive. This is gonna be a killer. I got it. I think I got it.
Yeah. Everybody's like, oh, good firm handshake.
Whoa, I did it. We climbed up a pirate ship.
I can tell.
Arr. We're doing a pirate ship.
Deep decks are like so much work, and
It was
so impeccable right now.
on that hard.
Good. Wow, this is
You
awesome.
only ever take off a millimeter if you work hard. That's why these things used to have the cool shit.
So we're gonna go tour this pirate ship parked on the Fraser, docked on the Fraser. Look at that. Next door we got the Canada Police. Oh. Whoa.
Detail working. This is ridiculous. All of these.
See if I can make it past all these ropes. Holy cow. I remind you, I'm also under the influence at the time. I'm surprised I made it this up. I don't know how I'm gonna make it back down. Look at that, we got the port windows. Wow. This is amazing.
This thing blows me away.
Holy cow.
Midship to
This
Lord
is
of the
nice.
Lovers. I didn't see that. That's fucking great.
Wow. Actual steering wheel, this is awesome.
Flat bottom. Riverboat.
Ooh,
Beauty.
wow.
She's a beauty.
So you all rent this out or?
No, I'm just visiting my friend. He's staying.
Oh, nice.
Wait till you get down here.
Really? Because
Woo.
reliving old memories.
Look at that.
What,
It's
you guys
steep.
have, like his kids down this? Or? Well, I just spent my
Oh. Wow. How?
Oh, where are you now?
Holy cow. Go a little bit further down.
We started hanging
Watch
out
your
at Pirates Cove. No,
head here.
sorry, Gilligan's.
The steps. I wish I brought my camera, my flashlight, but whoa. Holy cow. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, there's an actual working organ back here. Wow. They weren't kidding about the working organ. Oh, that is awesome. That's awesome. This is cool.
It was built in the 90s in Kingston, Ontario.
In the 90s, that's
Wow.
the reason that I was thinking. Only head on board? Is there another one?
No, this.
This,
That's a lot of people for one head.
Yeah.
oh, cool. The bedrooms over here. This is cool.
Yeah, there's
This is awesome.
12 bunks in those cabins
Wow.
that have 3 in each
bunks.
one. So
This is like a storage area.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Sink. This is so cool.
I know. Like, what
Holy cow, 12 bunks. It's like a actual pirate ship. Designed to be one since the 90s.
or something.
Small,
I mean-
even like a small 30-person dinner, like to have a chef come in and like cater a dinner for a group of people.
Here, let me turn on the flashlight so y'all can see.
These things,
Cool.
these glass tubes, are all part of this idea.
Wow, this is so cool. Touring actual pirate ship.
No, these are just.
Wow.
Hold on.
Get
Oh,
it
yeah.
on camera.
Start it. It's building.
Holy shit! I don't know.
You know what? Turn around.
Sorry?
So you can grab that.
Yeah, show us your
Oh.
butt. Turn around.
Show your butt.
Like and subscribe.
The shit I do for YouTube,
Turn
man.
around. Back it up.
I got it.
Even white boys got to shout.
I got it there.
Come on, you Belizean.
Got it, buddy.
I got it.
Goddamn Belizeans.
Watch that cleat.
There we go, I got it. Thank you guys. This was awesome.